Girls, let's say the promise together.
Afterwards, after the...
We'll do that. Yes. All together. Simply says I promise. As the Chief Commissioner, it is my honor, my privilege, my joy to enroll you as our patron and the #1 Girlguide of Kenya. This is a scarf for celebrating 100 years in Girlguide's movement of the world. We are truly privileged to welcome you as our #1 girl, as our leader, our ambassador, our role model, our trendsetter, and our pacesetter. Welcome. Thank you very much. We can do something for you too. Thank you. We have another.
We are going to do now the promise together. Yes. 1, 2, 3. I promise on my honor that I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to help other people at all times, and to obey the Guide's law.
And the Girlguide's law, Chair, read that out.
A guide's honor is to be trusted. A guide is loyal for accepting to be our patron. That is a very big honor to KGGA. So we are very grateful and happy, and we say on behalf of everybody,
Thank you very much. We will be sending you the letter and the details from the people. Yes. Because I don't know the
It's just in one row. Yeah. This is
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Can I have one? Thank you. Here we go. Take one from the African region. I must take one with you. The African region. Right, here we go. Like I said, it doesn't happen often. Can I take one as well? No, I don't. By the way, they put it in the hawker's market. You will get us these pictures there. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you. Last one.